Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Crosscall Core M5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can make your Firefox your main browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now again, and now your Firefox browser is ready to use. So if you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.